Let's talk pillows. More importantly, what's the best pillow for you and how to use a pillow to actually start fixing your back while you sleep. I'm Dr. Matthew Posa. Welcome to my page. My page is dedicated to people and families with health tips and tricks so you can live the life you were designed to live. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this information with the people we know need it the most. I have a few different types of pillows with me today. Some of these are from home, so I have a more softer, lighter pillow here. I have my favorite pillow that I like to back sleep on right here. And then I even have ones that we recommend to patients. So this is my second pillow that I use at home, and it's something like this. And so we have different contours and shapes, and then there's also the ones that you can buy with the other types of contours that are there to support, like a Swedish type of pillow. So there's so many different types of pillows, but here it is. Most people are using them wrong. And not only are you using it wrong, you're noticing you're not getting a good night's sleep, your energy levels are off, you might be waking up with numbness, pain and tingling into your hands, tight neck, tight shoulder, headaches, migraines, and the list goes on. So what I want to show you today is what typically happens. So I'm going to show you exactly what typically happens when you go to lay down at night and how to flip the script a little bit, still using the same stuff you have at home. So you don't even have to go buy an expensive pillow, but use the materials that you have at home and still get a really good night's sleep just by making this little change. What you're going to do is when you're going to go lay down, you're ready for bed. So I'm talking to the back sleepers here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the extra pillow. You're not gonna put it up and prop your head, because watch what happens. Like a lot of people, I get it, you've had a long day, you might be reading in bed, you might be on your laptop, you might be doing stuff, watching TV. But if I go to lay down on, let's say, double pillows, and great, it's comfortable, don't get me wrong, but look at my head position. My head is up, my chin is tucked in, I'm pulling on my shoulders. When I go to lay down on this, because it's so nice, it actually feels good. But imagine this after 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep. Even there's the 9-hour, the 10-hour person who wakes up and says, I got even more sleep and I feel worse. What's happening is you're distorting your posture. You're really messing things up. And so if you're getting that numbness, pain, and tingling in the morning, you're like, why am I all messed up? Well, you've kinked your neck all night. So right away, what you want to do is make sure that you have one pillow, so stick to the one rule. Number 2, take that extra pillow, you're gonna put it underneath your knees. So I would start, and this is a nice thick pillow, so you start with pretty much your hamstrings and then your feet, or underneath your knees. And now what's happening is as you lay down on your pillow, so this is how most people would set this up, you're gonna put this underneath your neck, your head comes back, and you can get a really nice sleep. In fact, decompressing your low back this way, supporting your head this way, this is awesome. You're gonna feel really good, but you're still doing it wrong. So here it is, here's the hack. What you're gonna do is you're going to take this pillow, you're gonna bring it lower. So you're gonna bring it just a tidge lower. So you're gonna be aiming for halfway through your shoulder blades. And so now when you come back and you bring yourself back, what you're gonna notice is 2 things. One, it's supporting the middle of your back a little bit more. It is letting your neck and shoulders come back a little bit as your head comes back. And now your alignment is perfect. You have the most perfect alignment right now. And in fact, this feels great. What I'm gonna recommend to you is make that small change tonight. And in fact, after you watch this video, please leave a comment down below. It'd be really interesting to see what people have to say. But when you lay down like this, because you're supporting the middle of your back or higher up in your back, you're gonna notice your whole posture comes back. And so if you even got the hump and the base of your neck and you're noticing that's really prominent or it's getting worse, then use this pillow at night to actually start helping the problem. So this will actually help those people. Now, if I go to lay on my side, the one thing I would wanna do is as I turn over, then one thing I'm really looking for when I do this is I'm gonna take that same pillow that I used to support my knees, I'm gonna put it in between my knees. So that's gonna keep my pelvis in line versus it drooping down. So that would be number 1. Number 2 is you don't want this now to be underneath your shoulder. You want your shoulder to be down on the bed, and this is gonna support your head and neck. But this is really key. So watch out for the pillow you have at home, is when you go to lay down, are you laying down and your head is coming in even more? Or are you able to lay your head down and still maintain a really good posture? If you can do that, then it's the right pillow for you. If your pillow is too thick, you can end up like this, which would be a no-go, or the opposite, obviously being too small and your head's down. So that's something that you really want to watch out for. Whether or not you put your hand underneath, whatever, that doesn't really matter as long as your spine is being protected. With this kind of pillow that I have, this one has a middle bowl, so your head would actually fall in here, but this is the ramp. And now that ramp is there to actually protect your lower neck into your shoulders. So when you lay down on something like this, and it's got the bolstered sides, so these are higher. So watch what happens with this one. So if I lay on my back, this goes right into your shoulders, your head goes into the bowl, but now the ramp is protecting my neck. So this one is really designed to support your spine while you sleep. And again, this one just feels awesome. When your head's just in the middle there, it feels really good. But then if, let's say you want to flip over, you want to go onto your side. Well, the difference here is you won't be moving the pillow around, you'll just be moving around. So in bed, you'll roll over, you won't do what I'm doing here, you'll do a proper roll. But what will happen is now the height of this will support your head this way. And now what's happening is your head's actually being properly supported. So this is a great type of pillow. This is a pillow that I have at home, but also that we recommend to patients if you want to invest into a pillow. But let's say you don't want to invest into a pillow, well then stick to that easy rule where you take your pillow, so put it so your shoulders come up almost through the middle, your neck, and then your head. And when you have all those in line, you're going to notice you're going to feel a lot better. Likewise, if you really got that forward posture, you're noticing that bump at the back, take your pillow, and I wouldn't take the king size. So this one's a king size, it's a little bit longer. So let's say take a regular pillow, and then you would turn it lengthwise. And so that'll actually come out to here. But watch what happens. If I go to lay down on a pillow like this, and I'm really concerned with my posture, now what's gonna happen is it's gonna bring my whole body back. I'm gonna be able to sleep this way. And again, I would take the other pillow, put it underneath my knees. But really, when you're sleeping in this and now you're bringing your whole posture forward, you're gonna feel so much better. I hope that helps you. I hope that makes sense. Make that small change at home and see the effects of that. They're pretty dramatic. Most people that make those slight changes will notice it within 1 to 2 nights. But I think more importantly, you're just gonna have way less pain. You're gonna notice your posture is going to improve, and you're gonna get a great night's sleep. So leave a comment down below. If you live in the Milton area and you want to get checked properly, you want a chiropractor to assess your spine and give you that more in depth, then click find us online, come into the office, let's do that for you. I want to make sure that if you're looking for help, that you're getting the right kind of help. And if you don't live in this area and you need help, please reach out. I want to make sure that you're getting the help you deserve. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.